In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of your cursor disappearing in Windows 10 or 11. This can be a frustrating problem, especially if you're in the middle of an important task. But don't worry, I have a few solutions that should help you get your cursor back and make your computing experience seamless again. Let's dive in. First, we're going to refresh your display drivers. This is often the simplest and quickest fix for this issue. To do this, press the Windows key along with Control, Shift, and the letter B simultaneously. This action triggers your screen to briefly flash, which refreshes the display drivers. After doing this, your cursor should ideally reappear. If not, don't lose hope. There are more steps to try. Next, let's see if your cursor appears on the security options screen. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del on your keyboard and you should see a screen with some security options. If your cursor is visible here, you can be reassured that it's a temporary glitch in the system. Simply press the ESC key to return to your desktop, and sometimes this action alone can bring your cursor back. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. A quick restart of your computer can resolve many temporary glitches, including issues with a disappearing cursor. So go ahead and restart your computer by clicking on the Start menu, selecting the power icon, and then restart. If these steps haven't resolved the issue, we'll move on to check your mouse or touchpad drivers. Press the Windows key and R simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. Here, type in DVMGMSC and press Enter to open Device Manager. Use your keyboard's down arrow key to navigate to mice and other pointing devices, and press the right arrow key to expand this section. In the expanded list, find your mouse or touchpad. Select it and press Shift plus F10 to open the context menu. From here, use the down arrow to choose Update Driver and follow the on-screen instructions. Updating your driver can solve compatibility issues and bring your cursor back. If updating doesn't work, we have one more option. In the same context menu, use the arrow key to select Uninstall Device and then press Enter. After uninstalling, restart your computer once more. Don't worry about losing the driver permanently. Windows will automatically reinstall the necessary driver when your computer boots up. By following these steps, your disappearing cursor issue should be resolved. With these fixes, you can now go back to using your computer without any cursor problems. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment and let us know what worked for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.